after you've made your brew box, you're going to need your frames. So there are two types of frames. You have your Hoffman and you have your standard. Okay, so the only difference is the Hoffman has these shoulders. So when they go together, frames will kind of be like this. So you have that space between the frames at the bottom. People don't like them. I think I've got, yeah, I got them. So when you build your standard frame, you get these. Go on the end. They use these spaces. I'm not a big fan. I will use a standard for honey production because you get that bigger frame, but I swear by these. Hoffman is the way to go. When you're ordering your frames, you'll get a top bar. Okay, you'll get your bottom bars, and you get your sides. So how they work is this little part here. I just get the back end of my pin hammer, lift it up, that comes open. You then put a shoulder on, another shoulder on, like so, and then you will use some foundation. What is foundation? So this is what foundation looks like. It's basically beeswax with, yeah, you can see that. It's got stability wire in and small perforations in it. Bees will then pull that out and create the comb on that. Just gives them a helping hand. So that will then go in. This is quite cold because it's been shed, so it's quite hard to use at the moment. Just put it in the house and put it on your radiator for a minute or two before you use it, usually. That will go in like so. The bit we took out before will then go over the little wire lugs like that, and then in these two bits at the top will go your bottom bars, so they will just go in. The bottom of them like that. And that, I think I've got one, is basically a finished one, what it will look like. So you fire a pin in the top, you fire a pin in the flat side, so you've got two angles of support, and then you fire one at the bottom either side, and that's your frames.